I'm back after a long time. I was busy. Today we're gonna make stuffed cabbage, but we're gonna do it veggie, without meat. You can do it with a meat, we can do it with just rice. Okay, we're gonna start with a cabbage, and I'm gonna show you how to prepare, okay? Okay, we're gonna start with the cabbage. You're gonna buy from the produce place the wrinkly. It's kind of soft, it's not hard like the regular for the salad. You see, it's softer. So, I'm gonna have two. So we're gonna cut the middle one. And then we're gonna take the cabbage, we're gonna boil it for 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use the regular pot, and you can cook it for half hour, okay? I'm gonna close the pressure cooker for 5 minutes. And then when it starts to make a noise, you do the 4.5 temperature. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare the stuff, okay? The stuffing. We're gonna cut 2 onions. And then we're gonna shred it in a bowl. Done with the onions. And then we're gonna cut. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of rice, basmati or any kind of rice you have, except the rice pilaf. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt, lots of pepper, and a little bit of oil, olive oil. Just to mix it together. About 2 tablespoons. And then we mix it together. Okay, after 5 minutes of medium temperature, my cabbage is ready. I'm gonna take it out from the pot and I'm gonna put it to drain it, okay? I'm gonna drain it a little bit and leave it to be cold so I can touch it. We save that water because we're gonna use it later to put it back in the pot. And then after you drain it and it's gonna get cold, you take one by one leaf and take it out, like that. I can't touch it right now, it's hot. You see it? Like that. We're done with the leaves, all of them. It's cold now, you can touch it, all right? We save the small ones, the baby ones, and the hard ones, you see, if you see that, and we put it on the bottom of the pot, okay? So, like this. I'm gonna put it all around, so cover the pot. And then we're gonna start. We're gonna put a teaspoon you see it, how I do it? Easy. And we're gonna put it like this. We're gonna put it in the pot. first row, and then the rest we have, we put it all around, okay? Again on the top. Okay, we're done with the stuffing. Now the rest of the heart, we put it back in the pot. Now we're gonna put some oil in there. About a quarter of a cup, okay? And then we're gonna put the plate on the top, so they're gonna stay in place, if you see it. And then we're gonna add the water you boil the cabbage. Make sure you cover, because the rice is gonna take all the water. That's it. It's ready to put it in boil. I'm gonna cook it in the pressure cook for 10 minutes, but if you do it in the regular pot, you do it 45 minutes, okay? Okay, the recipe today is done. We'll take it out the pot. I'm gonna take the plate out. If you see it is ready. That juice you're gonna use it. You can use it for to use nesesté or corn starch. So you can do the lemon and the egg lemon sauce, but you can do it without egg and with egg. So we're gonna do it with egg now, but I'm gonna show you how to do it without egg, okay? For a vegan recipe, you're gonna do this sauce, okay? We're gonna save some water from the pot. We're gonna add the lemon, it's 100 milligram lemon, okay? And we're gonna add some cornstarch. Okay, we're gonna add a tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're gonna mix it. So we mix it till it gets thick. Did you see it? So it's ready, so you can put it on the top of your plate. It's ready, you see it? You can put it on the top of your plate and you're done. Alright, the egg lemon sauce is ready. So I'm gonna put it on the top. I'm gonna leave it for 3 minutes to boil so it can absorb everything, and then I'm gonna serve. So our food is ready, so we're gonna start serve. Be careful how to take it out. that was the recipe for today. Join us next time for a new recipes, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.